No. Before him leave, him ask if Tony and they round at the shop.
You know, sir, come to think of it. You have the right person to link. Don't worry, I get it done. You know what I mean? But in the meantime, I can stay with you. I'm sure I see here.
Okay.
So, all these things are going on, all the rehearsal and things.
Rehearsal good. Besides all that, yo, dancers them on fire. Me on fire. Routine them. Me I tell you, the connection of me and the girl them, good. Good. You know what I mean? Like, you know, whenever somebody come here, the rehearsal and start with me, you know.
Don't worry about that, man. You gotta fix that. Don't worry about that. Just keep your mind on what you feel, okay, isn't it?
Everything ready, though. Everything ready. Me fitting at tomorrow.
Everything?
I want an extra girl, come man, just to get one girl. But I don't look up to a girl when I canic with the canic, you know what I mean? So I want an extra girl. Can you get somebody for me? Mr. Fix it.
Alright, may I try to figure it out. Just focus power with it.
Alright. So you stay with me?
No. So you have a man for your side here. No.
Yes.
Wow, man, baby. Come here, boy.
You know, when they say something about the shop when they go linking, him say some connection with the shop. But you wonder if I Tony and him have vision for.
Well, remember same daughter used to run the shop. So I wonder for that.
Maybe you just get a vision for Tony.
Me only hope is a good vision. Because at Christmas now, we can't deal with no bad news.
That's true. Can't manage that now.
Yeah, quick. No, I'm not too busy now. Wow. Yeah, man, talk no me listen. You up on the block? Alright. Me come circle you. Good. I could have a quick one talk to me about way. Him can't talk to me.
That kind of sound away, you know.
May I go up there? Roll with me.
Hey babe. How are you sound, sir? You alright? So, why you can't talk on the phone? No, I try to work with it. Alright, you come over later? Alright, we talk then.
Is what? Nobody no want to talk on the phone today? Them know something we don't know.
It sound like something shake up our system, you know. I don't like how she sound.
Man, I breathe her till it's a breathing. When you make up the other day though.
Bill will build up, man. I want to tell you what going on cold front.
Alright, come. Drive on top. Drive on top. Drive on top. Anyways, I go for the shop to look at miss. I promise her, so I'm not going to circle.
Yeah, you're running.
Okay, so I want to make me a right now thing.
Yes, it's a cold front outside.
Well, nothing wrong with that because one friend's inside.